Hello everybody, this is Magical Maths channel. Today, we are going to learn about a topic called variation. There are two types of variation, which is direct variation and inverse variation. Let's start with direct variation with the first example. In example 1, y is direct proportional to x. When y is 6 and x is 3, find the value of y when x is 8. To express this statement, we use the fish symbol. So, y is direct proportional to x can be expressed in this way. It means when y increase, x will also increase. But increase by how much, we don't know yet. That's why when we change to equation, y will be equals to kx. We put a k there because we don't know the rate of increment, but we are going to find it. And this is the purpose the question gives us the value of x and y to help us to find the value of k. Substitute 6 and 3 into y and x respectively. And we will have the value of k, which is 2. Then our formula is complete, which is y is equals to 2x. And we can use this formula to solve the problem requested by the question. That's all about the concept of direct variation. Basically, we find the value of k first, then we get the formula. And after that, we solve the problems requested by the question. We go to a more complicated example to see how hard the question could be. In example 2, since p varies directly to the square of r, it means that it is direct variation, which is p is equals to kr square. When p is 28 and r is 2, we substitute them into the equation to find the value of k. When we know that k is equivalent to 7, we substitute back to the original equation, so that the formula is p equals to 7r squared. And that's how we express p in terms of r. Alright, that's all about direct variation. Now we go to inverse variation. In example 3, this is the typical question that will come out in the exam in IGCSE. Given that a varies inversely to the square root of b plus 1, we represent them in this form. Note that for inverse variation, square root of b plus 1 is at the below, whereas for direct variation, they are on the same line. This means when a increase, b will decrease, and vice versa. Next, we express them into equation, which is a is equals to k over square root of b plus 1. Or you can write this way too, any way you prefer. By substituting a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 3 into the equation, we obtain k is equals to 8. And now we have the formula. A is equals to 8 over square root of b plus 1. And then we can find the value of b when a is 2. Just substitute a is equals to 2 into the equation, and we will have b which is equals to 15. That's it. And this concludes the topic inverse variation. In the end, I will revise the whole topic with you and show you how to work out the full solution of this topic. First, we determine whether it is direct or inverse variation and write out the equation in terms of k. Next, we calculate the value of k from the given case. After we obtain the value of k, we substitute the value of k back to the equation to get the formula. Finally, we use the formula to find the unknown that the question asks. Alright everybody, that's everything about the topic direct variation and inverse variation. Hope this video will help you in understanding this topic. Leave comment so that I can improve in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.